Okay, hello. It's what time is it? It's 11:50 p.m. Um, I legit have no idea of what to do, so we're just gonna react to some funny pet slime pet peeve, com whatever. Um, anyways, let's start. Okay. Uh,
All around me are
why would you
familiar.
do that? No. Turning it down.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine.
No. It's cool. Unbelievable. Huh. Poke with more than one finger into it. That's hilarious.
Hey guys, this is my container of slime. I'm only gonna keep it in the container for
Right.
now. I'm not gonna
Why would you
actually play with him like that. Wouldn't be satisfying at all. So I'm just gonna let you see it, and I'm just not gonna poke it at all. I'm just gonna
Why?
keep it in here for about 20 minutes maybe.
Why would you do this? Why would you do this to yourself? Girl. Or boy. Whatever. Or they, it, whatever. So we came here for one thing and one thing only. To watch you play with slime. So why are you playing with the slime?
Stop it. Get some help.
You're right. What? Why are you being so aggressive, bro? Why are you being so aggressive? Stop abusing it! No.
Hold on, do it. Yeah.
Oh my god. No. Ah! Oh! No! Ah! Stop! It hurts so much. Ugh. No, don't do it.
No!
Why would you do this?
No! Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ow! I'm not into slime. Just this. What?
Oh my god!
It's just taking over the entire camera! Why? Ah! Oh god. It's taking over. Just
Stop
why
it.
would you
Get some help.
Why would you do this to yourself? Why would you do this?
Whoa! Oh! He needs some milk!
Okay. And they are aggressive. Bro, calm down! Calm down! Touch it. Freaking touch it. What the frick is right? Like, oh, why is it so dark? Turn on the light. Why would you do this? Gosh, why the button? Hurts. Too shady. Oh god! Oh god! Keep your thing straight. Get it out before the one. Okay.
Why you mad?
Please.
Step your pussy up, honey. Get a job.
Why? Okay.
Bitch, I hope the fuck you do. You be a dead son of a bitch, I tell you that.
Gosh, these are also. Why would you say? Okay. That's enough. No, that's enough. Okay, we're out. I'm out. Okay, that was the entire thing. Yeah.